Morning, everybody, and welcome to today's Hamster Cipher Decoding. Hamster Cipher Decoding. But before we go into that, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment, and share it with your loved ones. Thank you. Now, today's cipher we'll be decoding is token. Token. Yes. So, as we all know, our first step in this process is to tap on our Emperor tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now, token T is the first letter. T, you long press, that's dash. O, 3 long press, dash, dash, dash. O. K, you long press, dot, and dash. E, dot. N, long press, dash. Token. Now, we've decoded today's code. Thanks for joining. Please don't make sure to click on your notification button so you can get more update from us. Thank you and God bless you. Yippee.